Rain. We all have experienced rain in our life. But do we know that this rain is connected to us so very deeply? Let us now understand the true meaning of rain. Rain falls only when the meeting of the clouds happen. Every raindrop teaches a beautiful lesson. Rain teaches purity. Rain teaches love. Rain teaches patience. Rain teaches unity. Rain teaches togetherness. Rain helps to refresh. Rain is that emotion which can be experienced every day. Rain, an emotion that you should enjoy within. Rain you can feel, touch, but why you are unable to see it within? When you are able to see the rain within you, you will become a human in its true meaning. Now that we have heard and understood the true meaning of rain, don't you think it's so beautifully connected to us? So let us start experiencing this beauty.